balcony for apartment. Main entrance, living room with entrance to the balcony. Future kitchen. Equipped kitchen is included in the price. Kitchen will be in a light vanilla color with a grey top, and on the walls they will be historical Mallorca tiles, very nice. Guest bedroom, again with the sea view. Entrance to the balcony. Guest bathroom, shower, toilet, bidet, and of course sink. And let's go to the master bedroom. Again, entrance to the balcony, amazing sea view. There is the common shared pool, 12 per 5 meters. Look at the Cefalu view. Today is not the perfect visibility, but you can see Aeolian Islands as well from this nice balcony. And the master bedroom has ensuite bathroom as well. Again with a toilet, bidet, shower, and of course sink. So here we are, window. Again, sea view.